Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. This is Tauqeer from Ilm Academy. This year again, we are going to offer new courses, inshallah. We are going to offer advanced Arabic course in English and Urdu both. हम उर्दू और इंग्लिश दोनों में एडवांस अरबिक कोर्स ऑफर करेंगे. That's going to be the base for an 8-year alim program, inshallah. We will also be doing some basic fiqh of ibadat, and inshallah ta'ala उसके अंदर हम लोग कुछ मुआशरत के उसूल भी पढ़ेंगे. एक अच्छा इंसान कैसे बन सकते हैं उसके बारे में भी सारा साल बात करेंगे इंशाअल्लाह. इसके अलावा we are also offering a Shariah essentials program that will cover the seerah of the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. We will be covering the Makki period inshallah ta'ala, and alongside that we will also be covering the last few surahs of the 30th juz inshallah that we generally recite in our prayers. We will talk about the tafsir of that. We'll go in depth in the surahs inshallah ta'ala, and also we will be covering the fiqh of ibadat. So I welcome all of you to please join. The deadline for registration is 30th of July 2023. I welcome you on board. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.